Hello, welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock today, we have this Daytona Grey 2020 RS4. This model is the Vorsprung edition and has some really cool upgrades from ABT. So being the Vorsprung, comes with a high spec already. ABT quad pipes out the back. "20" multi-spoke blacked out wheels. You can see it's also got the red brake calipers. So part of what you get with the Vorsprung spec is Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's electric. Front seats also has massage seat function. Inside, obviously, Audi's Multimedia infotainment system. You have the 360 camera and front and rear cameras. Also comes with Apple CarPlay, navigation, DAB. You can set it up how you want it as well. You can go into the RS mode. It's got 3-zone climate control air conditioning, heated front seats. It's got park assist, piano black dashboard. I've got 2 keys, and this one has got a Scorpion track system. The Audi phone box for wireless charging, the USB port. Have the beautiful leather RS steering wheel, flat bottom. It's an adaptive cruise control stalk. You have the RS mode, Audi virtual cockpit. Cool thing about the RS mode, when you click it, it actually changes the exhaust noise. The tone of the exhaust changes. It's actually just done under 18,500 miles from you. It's a nice genuine low mileage. Don't know if you're going to see it here, but it does have a heads-up display as well, and it has the auto lights. It's got the Matrix LED headlights, which are really fantastic. Inside you also have the diamond stitched RS bucket seats, all black leather, and it does have the panoramic sunshine roof as well. This car has a few extra carbon fibre pieces too, ring mirrors, and a few of the little accents in carbon fibre. Cool lights they've got. Comes with black badges and the black grille. Standard too. So yeah, the ABT kit is the power upgrade. So it comes with a water and radiator and air intake upgrade, as well as the engine ECU upgrade and the exhaust, bringing it up to about 530 horsepower. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, or if you want to make an appointment to go have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you're welcome to send me an email, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.